hydrogen fuel cell inland waterway vessel was launched by Modi ji in which state? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka.
तमिलनाडु
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 बिल्कुल तमिलनाडु थूथुकुडी रे लॉन्च कले मोदी जी इंडिया फर्स्ट इंडिजिनियस ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन fuel cell inland waterway vessel. Annual Financial Literacy Week campaign is recently organized by which organization? Annual Financial Literacy Week.
आरबीआई आरबीआई
RBI, बिल्कुल Reserve Bank of India has been conducting Financial Literacy Week every year since 2016. What is juice jacking? Recently seen in the news. What is juice jacking?
चार्जिंग
साइबर अटैक
बहुत बढ़िया साइबर अटैक. आरबीआई रिसेंटली कॉशन कला जूस जैकिंग को लेकिन पब्लिक पोर्ट्स रे. Pancheshwar multipurpose project is a bi-national hydropower project between which two countries? Pancheshwar multipurpose project. India and Bhutan, India and Nepal, India and Afghanistan, India and Bangladesh.
इंडिया
नेपाल
नेपाल
इंडिया
India and Nepal. Recently, which country's parliament voted to approve Sweden's bid to join NATO, making it 32nd nation to join the alliance?
Finland.
को-
हंगरी
ମୁଁ କ'ଣ ପଚାରିଲି କୋଉ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିର ଭୋଟଟା ଆପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କଲା ସ୍ୱିଡେନ ମେମ୍ବର ହବ ନାଟୋର 32nd ମେମ୍ବର?
हंगरी
ବହୁତ ବଢିଆ ହଙ୍ଗେରୀ. Recently, which Indian received an honorary knighthood from UK's King Charles III? रजन
जिंदल
मित्तल, सुनील मित्तल, सुशील कुमार सयाल,
सुनील मित्तल
अखिल गुप्ता. बिल्कुल सुनील भारती
सुनील मित्तल
मित्तल, the founder and chairman of Bharti Enterprises, received honorary knighthood from UK's King Charles III. जय महाकाल. ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଖାଇଛି ନା ନାଇଁ?
ନା
ଖାଇ ଦେଇଛି ଆଜି. ରିସ୍କ ନଉନି ଆଉ ସିଏସ୍କେ ହାରିଗଲା ବୋଲି. Global Waste Management Outlook 2024 is published by which organization? Global Waste Management Outlook 2024. UNDP, UNEP, UNESCO, IMF. आइडिया लगे ହେଇଯିବ.
यूएनईपी
UNEP बिल्कुल वेस्ट जेम ଦେଇଛି ୱାର୍ड ତ ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍ସ ଏନଭାयରନମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ପବ୍ଲିଶେସ୍ ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉଟଲୁକ୍ 2024. Brian Mulroney recently passed away was the former prime minister of which country? Israel, Canada, Chile, France.
कनाडा
Canada बिल्कुल. Brian Mulroney was the former prime minister of Canada. How many railway stations have successfully achieved the prestigious Eat Right Station certification? 150, 152, 154, 157.
157
150 railway stations and 6 metro stations have earned the Eat Right Station certification. Recently, which country's parliament has approved a controversial anti-LGBTQ bill, Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill? Which country's parliament has approved? Togo, Nigeria, Ghana, Liberia. Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill को approve कला घाना. Recently, who has been appointed as the Director General of National Security Guard? Anup Kumar Singh, Sudhir Pratap Singh, Daljit Singh Chaudhary, Subhash Joshi.
Daljit.
Daljit Singh Chaudhary has been appointed as the Director General of NSG, National Security Guard. Recently, which state government has issued a directive for adoption of one-time scheme across all urban local bodies? Adoption of one-time scheme across all urban local bodies. Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Telangana state government has issued a directive for adoption of one-time scheme across all urban local bodies. Recently, which two countries formally opposed the adoption of Investment Facilitation for Development Agreement (IFD) agreement को के formally oppose कले को दुईटा country IFD agreement Investment Facilitation for Development Agreement India Singapore India South Africa India China India Russia
India, Russia.
India and South Africa opposed the Investment Facilitation for Development (IFD) agreement, which Zero Discrimination Day is observed on which day? March
March
1 to
3,
24.
Ma-
March
March
1.
1.
March 1. Which ministry has recently launched Alliance for Global Good Gender Equity and Equality? Alliance for Global Good Gender Equity and Equality. Which ministry has recently launched? Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Home Affairs.
Women and
Option 3.
Ministry of Women and Child Development.
Child Development.
Recently launched Alliance for Global Good Gender Equity and Equality. How much fund has been approved by the Union Cabinet for International Big Cat Alliance? 150 crore, 100 crore, 110 crore, 250 crore.
250 crore.
150 crore budgetary allocation for International Big Cat Alliance. 150 crore. କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ଟପିକଟା ଆଗରୁ ନଦେଲେ ଆସିବନି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ତ ଏତିକି ଥାଉ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଟପିକ ତ ଦେଇ ନଥିଲି ଆଜି ଆଉ
Geography की polity
ଠିକ
OSCE ରେ କେତେ months ର current affair ପଢିକି ଯିବାକୁ ପଡିବ?
6 ମାସ ଯେବେ ହବ ତାର 6 ମାସ ପୂର୍ବର ସେଇ
ଜୁନ
ଯେବେ
23 ରେ ହବ।
ଯୋଉ ମାସ ହବ ତା ସେଇ ମାସର ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଜୁନରେ ହବ ଯଦି ମେ ଯାଏଁ ଡିସେମ୍ବରରୁ ମେ ତ ପଲିଟି ଟିକେ ବହୁତ ଦିନରୁ ହେଇନି ତ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା which article contemplates the establishment of interstate council 260 भूलेगला टिके 3 263 article 263 has the provision for establishment of interstate council who can establish
Parliament.
president
President.
president can establish who is the chairman of interstate council
Prime
Prime
Minister.
Minister.
prime
Prime Minister.
minister बिल्कुल prime minister interstate council meetings are supposed to be held how many times in a year
6 times.
3 times thrice in a year how many zonal councils are there in the country
5.
6 northern eastern western southern central northeastern who is the chairman of zonal council
होम मिनिस्टर
होम मिनिस्टर
होम मिनिस्टर बिल्कुल. Which article has the provision for GST Council? Option देबी.
239
269, 269A, 279, 279A.
269
279A.
बहुत बढ़िया. 279A has the provision for GST Council. Which article? Sorry. Sarkaria Commission was established in which year?
1983
1983 बिल्कुल. First Administrative Reforms Commission in which year?
1966
1966 बिल्कुल. MM Punchi Commission 2007. All three deal with center-state relations. From which country? ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ Minerva Mills versus Union of India case in which year?
1980
1980. Kesvananda Bharti versus State of Kerala
1973
1973. Goloknath versus State of Punjab
1963
67. 1967. Which amendment act is also called mini constitution?
42nd 1976
42nd 1976. SR Bomai versus Union of India in which year? 1994.
94
1994. Which article deals with amendment to the constitution?
368.
368
368. Which part?
20.
20. How many types of amendments are there?
3 types
3 types. Simple, special, special and consent
special
of
with
state.
half of the ratification of state
बिल्कुल. Which article deals with fundamental duties?
51A
51A.
1A. Fundamental duties were borrowed from which constitution?
USSR.
Australia yes sir
USSR. It was based on the recommendation of which committee?
Swaran Singh
Swaran.
Swaran.
Which amendment act added new part 4A to the constitution?
42nd
42nd 1976. Originally how many fundamental duties were there?
10
10 बिल्कुल. And 11th duty was added through which amendment act?
86 2002
86 2002. To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. Which article?
51A fundamental duty
नहीं 51 एरो क्लॉज.
सेकंड के थर्ड है तो
बी क्लॉज बी 51A B. Which article has the provision to secure for all citizens a uniform civil code throughout the country?
44.
44
44. Which article has the provision to separate the judiciary from the executive?
50
50. 50. Which article has the provision to promote international peace and security?
51
51. Which article has the provision to provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete
45
age of 6 years? 50. 45.
45
45. Which article has the provision to organize village panchayats?
40 40
40. Which article has the provision to promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid to the poor?
39A
39A बिल्कुल. Which article has the provision to secure a living wage, a decent standard of life?
38.
43. 43. Which article has the provision to promote cottage industries on an individual or cooperative
43.
basis? 43 बिल्कुल. Which article has the provision to prohibit the slaughter of cows, calves, and other milk animal?
47.
48. 48. Which article has the provision to raise the level of nutrition and standard living of people? Nutrition. 47. DPSPs can be divided into how many parts?
3 part.
3 parts. Based on principles, what are those principles? Socialistic,
Gandhian, socialist,
liberal.
out liberal.
बिल्कुल. Under which article no person shall be deprived of his or her property by authority of law?
300A.
300A.
44th Amendment Act.
1978. Which writ is issued by a higher court to a lower court to quash the order passed by the lower court in a case?
Prohibition.
Prohibition.
बहुत बढ़िया. अविनाश, certiorari. Certiorari is issued by a higher court to a lower court or tribunal to quash the order passed by the latter in a case. Which writ is issued by a higher court to a lower court to prevent the latter from exceeding its jurisdiction?
Data prohibition.
Prohibition, बिल्कुल. Issued by a higher court to lower court to prevent the latter from exceeding its jurisdiction. And it usurps the jurisdiction that it does not possess. Which writ directs a public authority to perform his or her official duty?
Warrant.
Direct.
Okay, Mandamus.
Command करे. Mandamus, बिल्कुल. Mandamus means we command. Which writ prevents illegal usurpation of public office by a person?
Warrant.
Quo warranto. By what authority? It means by what authority? Which writ directs the release of a person detained unlawfully?
Habeas corpus.
Habeas corpus, meaning to have the body of. How many types of writs are there?
5.
5 types.
Which article deals with right to constitutional remedies?
32.
30. Right to privacy comes under which article?
21.
Article 21.
21A education.
Which article deals with which 5 articles are available only to citizens?
15, 16, 19, 20, 29, 30.
बिल्कुल. 15, 16, 19, 29, 30. Right to equality comes under which article to which article?
14 to 18.
14 to 18. Right to freedom?
19 to 22.
19 to 22. Right to freedom of religion?
25 to 28.
25 to 28. Right to constitutional remedies तो कहिलो. Educational and cultural rights?
29, 30.
29, 30.
29, 30. Protection of life and personal liberty under which article?
21.
21. 21. Abolition of titles.
18. 18.
18.
18.
Which article deals with laws inconsistent with the fundamental rights? Article 13. 13. Which article has the provision that the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, etc.?
14.
15.
15. 15. There shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matters relating to employment.
16.
16. Equality before law.
14.
बिल्कुल. Abolition of untouchability.
17.
17.
17. 17. Freedom to manage religious affairs.
25.
26.
No, no,
26.
26.
26. Freedom of conscience.
8 to 25.
25. Freedom of conscience, profession, practice and propagation of religion. Freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion.
27.
27. Right to
28.
27. 27.
No, 27.
27. Right to education.
21A.
21.
1A. बिल्कुल. Protection against arrest and detention.
22.
22.
22. 22. Prohibition of employment of children in factories.
24.
23.
24. 24.
24.
Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor.
23.
23.
23. Rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institution.
29.
29.
30. Rights of minorities to establish and administer educational institution.
30.
30.
30.
Protection in respect of conviction for offences.
22.
20.
20. 20.
20.
20. Freedom of speech and expression.
29. 19.
19.
19.
19.
Article 19 1.
A.
हाँ ए. ए 1 कौन हुए? ए हुए ना.
A हुए.
By how many ways a citizen can lose his citizenship?
Senator.
3. 3. Renunciation, deprivation, termination. And acquisition of citizenship by how many ways?
5.
5.
By birth, descent, registration, naturalization, incorporation of territory. From which article to which article deal with citizenship?
5 to 11.
5 to 11. Under which part?
Part 2.
Part 2. Which Citizenship Act of which year provides for acquisition and loss of citizenship?
1955.
55. 1955. Andaman Nicobar Islands comes under which High Court jurisdiction?
Calcutta.
Calcutta.
Lakshadweep,
Kerala.
Kerala
Kerala.
High Court. Puducherry,
Mumbai.
Maharashtra.
Madras, Madras High Court. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu,
Eta Mumbai.
Bombay High Court. Mumbai ନାହିଁ କିଛି, Bombay.
Sorry, हाँ Bombay.
High Court ସବୁ
ରହିବା.
old ନାଁରେ ରୁହେ always. କେବେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବନି ଜାଣିଥାଅ. ଏଟା ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଏନ୍ କଲୁ. ବମ୍ବେଟା ବମ୍ବେ ରହିବ, ମାଡ୍ରାସ ରହିବ, ଚେନ୍ନାଇ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ କିଛି. କାଲକାଟା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ, କୋଲକାତା ନୁହଁ ସେଟା. ନେକ୍ସଟ ଚଣ୍ଡିଗଡ଼.
पंजाब हरियाणा जोटा.
ହଁ ପଞ୍ଜାବ ହରିୟାଣା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ. କୋଉ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କେବେ ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା କହିବ? ସିକିମ. ଇୟର ଅଫ ଫର୍ମେସନ ଓନ୍ଲି.
A. 75.
1975 1975 ଏବେ କହିବି
46 ବୋଧେ
ଚାରିଟା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କହିବି କ୍ରୋନୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ଅର୍ଡରରେ କହିବ କିଏ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ କିଏ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଆସାମ ଗୁଜରାଟ ମେଘାଳୟ ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ସରି ଲାଷ୍ଟ
ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ
ଆସାମ ଫାଷ୍ଟ
କୁହ କୁହ
କଣ ଆସାମ ଗୁଜରାଟ
ଆସାମ ଗୁଜରାଟ ମେଘାଳୟ ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ
ଗୁଜରାଟ 60 ଆସାମ ହଉଛି ଆସାମ କେତେ 63 ନା ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ହେଇଯାଉଛି
ଆସାମ ମେଘାଳୟ ଗୁଜରାଟ ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ଏଇଟା ବୋଧେ ସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସ
କରେକ୍ଟ ଅବିନାଶ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆସାମ ମେଘାଳୟ ଆନ୍ଧ୍ର କଣ ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ଗୁଜରାଟ ଆଉ
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ତ
ରାଜେଶ କଣ
ହବନି
କହୁଛ ରାଜେଶ କଣ କହୁଛ
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଜରାଟ ତାପରେ ଆସାମ
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଆସାମ ର କେତେ
1950 ରେ ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆସାମ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଆସାମ 1950 ଦେନ୍ ଗୁଜରାଟ 1960 ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଗୁଜରାଟ ଆଉ ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଫାଉଣ୍ଡେସନ ଡେ କାଲି ହିଁ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା ହେଲା ମେ 1 ରେ ତ ଆସାମ 1950 ଗୁଜରାଟ 1960 ଦେନ୍ ମେଘାଳୟ 1972
ହୁଁ
ଦେନ୍ ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ 1987 ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ମିଜୋରାମ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଆ ତିନିଟା ହେଇଥିଲେ 1987 ରେ ହିମାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ ମଣିପୁର ମେଘାଳୟ ସରି ନାଇଁ ମଣିପୁର ଆଉ ମେଘାଳୟ ହେଲେ 1972
ମେଘାଳୟ
ଉତ୍ତର ପ୍ରଦେଶ ଟିକେ ଆଗରୁ ହେଇଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବା ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ସ କାଲି ପଚାରିବି ଆଜି ପଠେଇଦେବି ଓନ୍ଲି ଇୟର ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କୁହ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ କ୍ରୋନୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ଅର୍ଡର କୁହ
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଝାଡଖଣ୍ଡ ଇଏ ତ
ତିନି ଜଣ ତ 2000 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼
ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ
ସେମ୍
ତ କୁହ କଣ ସେମ୍ କଣ ମୁଁ ତ ପଚାରୁଛି କ୍ରୋନୋଲୋଜିକାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ସେମ୍ କେମିତି ହବ
ହଁ କହୁଛି ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଝାଡଖଣ୍ଡ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ
ଅବିନାଶ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଝାଡଖଣ୍ଡ
1 ନଭେମ୍ବର 2000 ରେ ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼
ହେଲା ଦେନ୍ 9 ନଭେମ୍ବର 2000 ରେ 8 ଦିନ ପରେ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଦେନ୍ 15 ନଭେମ୍ବର 2000 ରେ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ ହେଲା ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ ଯେମିତି ପଚାରୁଛି ମୁଁ ଫ୍ଲୋରେ ହିଁ ପଚାରି ଦଉଛି ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଉତ୍ତରାଖଣ୍ଡ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା 2014 2 ଜୁନ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କୋଉଟା ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା କିଏ କହିବ
ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ 1953
ନାଇଁ ତା
यूपी
ପୂର୍ବରୁ ବି ଥିଲା
ଓଡ଼ିଶା 1936
ନାଇଁ
ବିହାର
ଆରେ 1936 ସେ ହେଲା ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ପରେ କହିବା କାଉଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ନା ଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ସ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ
ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ
ବିହାର ହବନି ତ ତାହେଲେ 12
राजस्थान हब कि
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ କିଏ ହେଇଥିବ
47 ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ
47 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା କୋଉଟା
ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ
ନାଇଁ 50 ରେ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ
ଗୁଜୁରାଟ ହେଇଥିଲା 50 ରେ
1950 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଆସାମ ବିହାର ଓଡ଼ିଶା ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶ ମଧ୍ୟପ୍ରଦେଶ ଏବେ କୁହ ଏନି ଆଇଡିଆ नो ଆଇଡିଆ ବିହାର ତ କହୁଛି ବିହାର ତ 1950 କହିଲି ହେଲା ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ ହେଲା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ଫର୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା ପଞ୍ଜାବ 1947
47 ହେଇଥିଲା
ହଁ କର୍ଣ୍ଣାଟକା କେରଲା ତାମିଲନାଡୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ 1956 ରେ
ହେଇଥିଲା
1953 ରେ ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ ଗୋଟେ ତାପରେ ଗୁଜରାଟ ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଏମିତି ଚାଲିବ ଆଉ କାଲି ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଦେବି ପଡ଼ିବ। ତ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି ରଖିବା। ମୁଁ ଟପିକ୍ ଦେଇ